Friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new lesson. Before starting the lesson, please make happy faces like this. Have you made happy faces? Okay, let's start. Letter of the day. This letter name is N. This is capital N and this is small n. Its phonic is N. Its phonic is N. Look at this picture. What's its name? It is a net. Net. Net begins with phonic N. N. Net. N. Net. Okay. Look at next picture. What is it? It is a nose. Touch your nose, please. Yes, this is nose. We can smell with nose. Okay. Nose begins with phonic N. Nose. N. Nose. Okay. What is this? It is night. The boy is sleeping because it is night. Night begins with phonic N. N. Night. N. Night. Okay. Look at this picture. This is a bird and this is its nest. The place where the bird lives is called nest. Okay, nest begins with phonic N. Nest. N. Nest. Okay, look at this. This is a dry fruit. Dry fruit. It is nut. Nut. N. Nut. N. Nut. Okay. What is this? Do you know? It is nail. Nail. Okay. This is also the picture of nails. Okay. Nail begins with phonic N. N. Nail. N. Nail. Okay. Look at this picture. There is a girl and she is doing nail work. Okay. She has made different styles or shapes of nail. Okay. Look at this. What is it? It is a notebook like this. It is a notebook. Notebook begins with phonic N. Notebook. N. Notebook. Okay. Look at this. This one picture also. Who is she? Tell me who takes care of the patient. Do you know? Okay, I will tell you. Nurse take care of the patient. Okay. There is a patient and she is a nurse. She takes care of him. She takes care of the patient. Okay, I have one more picture. Look. She's also take care of the patient. Look at this one picture. There's a nurse She takes care of the patient. Nurse. Nurse. Okay. Look at this lady. Tell me what we call this part of the body. We call it neck. 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 Okay. Look at this picture. What the girl is wearing in her neck? Necklace. Necklace begins with phonic necklace. Necklace. Okay, I have one beautiful necklace to show you. What is this? Necklace. Necklace. Okay. Now next picture is, what is it? This is a pen and this is nib. Always remember, tip of any pen marker is called nib. Look, this is nib. We write with the help of nib. Okay, this is a marker and this part is called nib. Okay, now look at this pen. This part is called nib. It's mean tip of any thing which help us to write is called nib. Nib. Okay. Now look at this picture. This girl is playing xylophone. This boy is beating a drum. He is playing with trumpet. Bell is ringing. And look at this picture also. There is also a boy who is going on bike with heavy voices, radio with loud voice, boys crying on in a loud voice, and the mama's mobile is playing a noise, making a noise. So noise begins with phonic noise. Noise. Okay. Noise. Okay. Now I have a request to you. Please look at your surrounding and find more examples of letter N for its phonic okay, and tell me in comment box. We will see you in next video. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.